Cleanse. Use a gentle, oil-free cleanser like La Roche-Posay Effaclar. Purifying foaming gel cleanser. Treat optional. If you have active acne, consider a spot treatment with salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide. Apply a thin layer to affected areas only, like Neutrogena Rapid Clear Stubborn Acne Spot Treatment Gel, salicylic acid, or La Roche-Posay Effaclar Duo Dual Action Acne Treatment Benzoyl Peroxide. Moisturize. Look for a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer with high hyaluronic acid to hydrate without clogging pores, like CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion with SPF 30. Sunscreen. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher every single day, even if it's cloudy. Look for a non-comedogenic formula labeled oil-free or non-greasy, like Elta MD UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46. Cleanse. Repeat the morning cleanse to remove makeup, sunscreen, and oil buildup. Exfoliate 2-3 times a week. Use a gentle chemical exfoliant with AHAs or BHAs to remove dead skin cells and prevent clogged pores, like Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. Treat optional. If you have active acne, repeat the spot treatment from the morning routine. Moisturize. Apply a slightly richer moisturizer than the morning to replenish hydration lost overnight. Look for something fragrance-free and non-comedogenic, like Cetaphil Daily Facial Moisturizer. This is a general guideline, and you may need to adjust it based on your specific skin. Patch test new products before full use. Be patient. It can take several weeks to see results from a new skincare routine. We encourage you to share your specific skin concerns in the comments below. Our team can help guide you towards a personalized routine based on your unique needs. Let's get that healthy, balanced skin